Hello and welcome to Harness Stuff TV, episode 2, How to Put 2. So this is TJ, our gorgeous model today. We're at the Ray Hills Carriage Driving event, which is Scottish Carriage Driving Association's regional event. The weather is looking a little bit ominous now, but still dry and warm, and we're having a great time. So we're going to hand over to Sancha, who's going to position TJ in front of the carriage.
Thank you, Flick. Hey, Teach. Right, so we're going to turn him in front of the carriage, taking great care not to catch him on the carriage. Stand. Stand. And then I'll pass him to Flick. You should never attempt to try to put 2 without somebody holding the horse. That's absolutely vital. And then first thing we're going to do is take a shaft. You notice these are independent shafts, which means his saddle must have a fixed back band. We take it forward to the quick release tug, which works by slotting one piece over the other, and then you thread the back band through. So pop that there. We do the same on the other side. Very important to keep the order of putting 2 the same for safety reasons. So once the shafts are on, we're now going to attach the first trace. Once the first trace is on, the pony is now attached to the vehicle, so great care should be taken. We're back to attach the other trace, like so. So if TJ were to get a scare now and run away, he is safely attached to the carriage, but he doesn't have any brakes, so the carriage could potentially slide forward and hit him. So we're now going to attach the breeching straps via parrot clips, which are for quick release. And same on the other side. You'll notice we also have quick release from the back strap to the saddle, so that if there was a problem, the one clip would remove all of the breeching in one go. Very, very useful safety idea. Okay, so now that we've done this, we can now come round and secure the belly band. Now, we left the belly band loose before so that it was easier to put the shafts in, but now we need to tighten that up. Doesn't need to be very tight, but just enough to stop too much bounce in the shafts. We now take the reins, keeping the reins, a contact on your reins, up onto the carriage. Take the whip in your hand, and then you can nod to your groom to unclip the pony. And then we're ready to